Many people are receiving the Form 1099G. Are you one of them? If you received a Form 1099G, keep watching the video till the end because we will see what exactly is this form, who receive it, and is it taxable for you in a tax filing. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. So the Form 1099G is a form that is provided by federal, state or local county governments to the taxpayers if you received a refund from them. So most probably as an international student, you get some refund on your federal as well as state taxes. So this form is specifically for state or local taxes that you received as a refund last year. You will receive a paper email no matter which state you are in, whether you are in Indiana, California, New York and so on. I got reached out by many people, especially from Purdue, that I received Form 1099G and I don't know what to do with it, how it's reportable, should I even include it or not include it, and so on. Many people have also ignored that form, stating that they don't know what to do, so it's better just to ignore. But don't do that, because it's important that you follow all the tax laws and make sure all the income that is required to be reported is reported when tax filing. You don't want a bad tax record where government comes back to you later and says that, oh, you missed this income, now you have to pay a penalty or something like that. Now coming to whether it's included in the federal as well as state taxes, first thing remember is that if you claimed standard deduction in your tax filing last year, which most of the Indian students do, because if you remember, we have a US-India tax treaty under Article 21(2), which states that we can claim standard deduction similar to the US citizens. So which means we can deduct up to, I think, 14,000 or 15,000 from our taxable income. That is called standard deduction. The other way for deductions is itemized deductions, which means you deduct item by item. There are certain sets of income that you can deduct from your taxable income. So this is that. If you use this, then you have to make sure you fill out from Schedule A for 1040 and if you claimed itemized deductions on your tax filing last year, you have to include the income from 1099G on your current year tax filing. So make sure you include that income if you claimed itemized deduction. If it was only standard deduction, you can ignore it. It's not reportable anywhere in the federal taxes. So if you are using a Glacier software or Sprint Tax, we have an option to add the Form 1099G. So on a safer side, it's better to add those forms. But I have seen the output, it isn't reflected anywhere in the form. So basically this income is not taxed if you claim standard deduction. But again, it's better to put that form in the software, so let them do the job, let them give you the form. But this is how the 1099G form is taxed. Share this video with your friends, because I know there are many people like you who don't know what 1099G means, and it's completely okay because there are a lot of forms when it comes to the US tax laws. So it's all right, but at the same time, it's important to be aware of what these forms are, what are the tax implications, and so on. Like and subscribe my channel if you find my content useful. Comment down if you have any questions regarding this form or any other forms for tax filing for international students. Thank you again for watching this video. Until next time.